This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a locking differential, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, an integrated tailgate step, cruise control, leather seats, automatic locking wheel hubs, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, adjustable driver pedals, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Wildcat Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4080 Lexington Road in Nicholasville.